Hey, what's up people, this is Franklin Murore, and today guys I just want to show you how you can actually run a successful lead generation ad for a real estate business. So in this particular video I'll be setting up an ad for buyer leads. There's a particular house that I'm trying to promote for my client. Let me show you the particular house that I'll be promoting. So this is the house that you're trying to sell. So the goal will be actually trying to generate leads, buyer leads, in a particular location in the United States. So without wasting time, let's just jump straight into the video. So the first step is actually clicking on create once you log in your ads manager, and then if you are running an ad on real estate, you have to actually click on this option right here. I'm creating a campaign for ads in a special ad category, and we have three special ad category. We have the credit employment, but for now we are running a real estate campaign, so we're just gonna click on housing. And if you fail to check on this, your ad is not going to be approved. So just make sure that you click on this if you are running a real estate ad campaign. So we're going to head over let's head over to this. So for now we're just going to concentrate on lead generation. So click on lead generation, scroll down. For now we're not going to do the split testing, so just click on continue. Okay, so right here we're just going to ignore this. So as you can see, some of these features have already been disabled and you cannot change them, such as age and gender. So these are the things you cannot actually change. So as for location, we have to go with a particular place where we are running that particular ad on. So for this particular house, we want to target a place called Lowell. Which is in the United States, and then we want to target 25 kilometers from that point of target. And then you have to make sure that you change this into people living in this location. So in this particular option, we'll be targeting people who are actually looking to buy a house. So you can add options such as new, let's say home buyers, first time home buyers is an interest. You can add Zillow. You can add Trulia. You can add the other one that I just saw, Premier Agent, Zillow, Trulia. So all of these are going to be effective. And you can see here the potential reach is 220,000 people. Okay, click on other options, languages. Okay, don't know why this is not working. English, just go for English US. So as you can see, in the past we used to have an option whereby you can actually exclude certain kind of people from viewing your ad, and I usually used to exclude the realtors and the real estate agents from seeing my ad. But for now that option is not there, so for now we're just gonna stick with this particular option. So just scroll down and go with edit placements. You have to ensure that your ad is only being seen on the Facebook newsfeed, because if your ad ends up on Instagram or any other platform or any other placement, you're going to actually end up paying a lot of money. So just make sure that you uncheck all of this. So once you uncheck on that, you're gonna go and set up your budget. I'll just advise you to ignore this. Just let Facebook do its thing. Facebook will aim to spend your entire budget and get the most leads using the lowest cost bid strategy, and I usually just let Facebook do this, because if you go ahead and put your average cost per lead, it's going to actually limit how your ad is going to perform. So just ignore this. You have the budget and schedule. You can go with the amount you want, but for now you can just use $20, or maybe just put it at $30. I run my ad set continuously starting today, so that's amazing. So right here is where you're gonna put your image or your video. So for now, I think you can go with if you wanna put a single image, you can go with this option. If you wanna put a single video, you can go with this option. But if you have more, if you have a number of images that you wanna put more than one image, just go with this option. For now, I'm just gonna use this option. Right here, you're gonna select your image. Select one of your images. I have a number of images right here. I can go with this one. Then number 2, put your second image. Number 3, put your third image. And I think the more images that you put out there, the more your potential clients are going to engage with your ads. So I would advise you to put more images, quality images. So once you're done with that, just put your headline right here, your description, and then put your text. So once you're done setting up everything, just go ahead and click on confirm. Click on review, and once you click on review, click on confirm, and once you do that, your ad will be in a review process, whereby Facebook is just going to check your ad and see if it meets their terms and conditions. And once that is done, your ad will be up and ready. So I'll be waiting for an hour to see if the ad has started generating leads. So yeah, so follow me through. Okay guys, so as you can see, I have generated already 10 leads in about an hour and a half, and I've actually paid $2.7 for every lead. So this ad has just started generating results. So maybe in about 24 hours I'll have much more results. I'll have much more leads. Yeah, so I think this is a very simple process. So you can actually implement the same strategy to generate seller leads. So guys, if you need any help in running your Facebook ads, or maybe generating quality leads, just go ahead and contact me. My contact information is in the description below, and maybe we can have a conversation and you can tell me what particular challenge you're facing when running your Facebook ad, and maybe we can set up a Facebook ad together. Yeah, so guys, I'm wishing you all the best. If you have not subscribed to my channel, just go ahead and subscribe to my channel. I make such videos with value time to time, and I would not love you to miss such value that I'm giving every week. So I'm wishing you all the best. See you in the next video. Thank you.